Hello students, welcome to Easy Maths channel by Rajeshwari. In this video, we will find the values of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and chord ratios for 90-degree angle. Are you ready with your notebook and pen? Okay, so let's get started. First one is sine 90, cos 90, tan 90. Then we will take reciprocals, then we'll get these values. For this, we need to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, let us draw a right angle triangle. Here is A, B, C. Okay, I will draw like this. A, B, C. This is 90-degree. Okay. Now, what we want, see here. This is, suppose AB value. AB is adjacent and this is AC is R, suppose. Okay. Now here, how it came to 90? Suppose this is base AB and the angle, first angle 0 degree, isn't it? Then slowly this angle will increase. This angle will increase and this is opposite side, isn't it? This is opposite side. First angle is 10 degrees, suppose. Then when angle will become bigger, this side will shift to here. When this angle will become bigger, again this side will shift here. Again angle is becoming bigger and bigger and the side is shifting, and one time will come when both the sides will be like this coincident. Okay, then this will become 90. Okay, it started now from here, suppose. Then like this, like this, it is increasing, and like this it came to this side. So first angle was small, then it became larger and larger and larger, and it became 90-degree, isn't it? So when it became 90-degree, this value I have taken R. So this side will also become equal to R when it reaches to this perpendicular side. Okay, so that means AC. This is AC now, and this side also will become equal to this side when it reaches to 90-degree. Okay, so what is the value of AB then? This opposite side is shifting here, then here. So AB is decreasing and decreasing and decreasing. When this hypotenuse will reach to this, then this AB will become 0. AB will become 0. Okay, and this AB and this opposite side CB. This is AC and this is CB. CB and AC will become coincident when the angle will become 90. So this is opposite side. Okay, this is opposite side. And this is what? This is adjacent side. And this is hypotenuse. Okay, so this opposite side will become equal to this hypotenuse when the angle becomes 90-degree. Now we have to use sine ratio. And I have taken this hypotenuse R, so this side will also become R when opposite side will also become R when it reaches to this hypotenuse. So sine 90-degree is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is R. Why R? Because when this arm will reach to here for 90-degree, this hypotenuse and this arm both will become equal. They will become coincident. So both are becoming same. R by R means 1. Cos 90-degree. adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is 0 because when this hypotenuse is shifting here, the opposite side will become equal to this, and the distance between hypotenuse and opposite side will become 0. See here, it is shifting now. It is shifting, becoming B is coming here now. Now here, then B will be point at the point A when this side and this side both will shift here. Okay, in this way, the adjacent side will become 0. So adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is 0. Tan 90 degree, huh? Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is R, adjacent is 0. So it is undefined, not defined. Okay. So tan 90 degree is not defined. Now their multiplicative inverse is cosec 90 degree. Reciprocal of 1 will be 1. Sec 90. I told you to find these reciprocal ratios. You have to just reciprocal these values. So it will be R by 0. R by 0 means undefined. And cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree reciprocal of this 0 by R. 0 by R means 0. Like this we got the values of all the ratios for 90 degree angle. This is little bit complicated for you to understand. Again I will tell you कि now suppose this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle we are considering. When this line will shift here because angle is increasing, again it will shift here. So this line will shift this side. Again it will shift here because angle is increasing. So this line will also shift. Again it will shift to 90 degree. Then this line also will shift here. Means hypotenuse and opposite side both will be coincident. So hypotenuse and opposite side value I am taking R because when angle this side will shift like this here, then this side will opposite side also will shift, and at that angle 90 both will become coincident, and the B will decrease and become 0. So B point will coincide with the point A. A and B point will coincide here. Okay, then AB value will become 0, and opposite side and hypotenuse. Opposite side and hypotenuse will both will be coincident at 90 degree angle. So their both values I am taking as AC and BC I am taking as R. Then AC is nothing but hypotenuse and BC is opposite side for this angle, hypotenuse and opposite side. So this angle is becoming 90. So this is opposite and this is adjacent side. Now you put in this formula and calculate it. Now we will find the value of all the ratios for 0 degree angle. For that we need a triangle. So we are drawing a triangle here, A, B, C, and this angle is 90 degree. It is the reverse of the previous one. We want 0 degree angle now. That means this line 90 degree angle will become less and less and less and less, and once it will become 0. Okay, so this AB will shift over BC for 0 degree angle. Now it is 90. It will decrease and become 0 degree. So this AB side will shift to BC. AB will be coincident to BC. So AB will be equal to BC. Okay. So AB and BC will become R, and let me draw so you will understand. It will shift, and once the time will be there when angle will become 0 and this side, okay, this hypotenuse and base will be same, okay, and opposite side this will become 0, this will disappear, okay, because when both will shift over each other like this, then the opposite side will become 0. So opposite side is equals to 0, and for this angle, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equals to r. Base means this adjacent side. Adjacent side will be equal to r. I have taken both as same. Okay. In this way, I have taken the values. Now what you have to do? We have to find the values of sine 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree. Sine 0, opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is 0 upon hypotenuse means 0. And cos 0, adjacent by hypotenuse means 1. And tan 0, opposite upon adjacent means 0. Okay, now multiplicative inverses. Let us find the value of multiplicative inverses. Cosec 0 degree will be reciprocal of sine means r by 0. R by 0 means undefined. Okay, not defined. You can write not defined. Then sec 0 degree will be reciprocal of 1 is 1. And cot 0 degree will be r by 0 means not defined. Okay. In this way, you have to find the values of 0 degree angle and 90 degree angle. Okay, I hope you understood it. If not, please watch the video one more time so that you can understand it better. Bye bye.